there, folks. As you can see, I'm starting here the corn harvest 2018. We got the 1063 here. This is the head we're running. Corn seems to be running pretty good. We got one truck out so far with about 1,100 bushel on it. I've already got a couple more dumps up there on the grain cart and whatnot. Only thing that's a little rough right now for us is the fields are a little soupy, but I mean, we can't wait for perfect conditions now, as most of you guys know, or most farmers know. And up here, you can't really see it too well, but that was what was giving us trouble with the alarms and whatnot. So our mechanic couldn't get out here, so we ended up just unplugging it. So I kind of got to pay pretty good attention to my fan speeds and rotor, make sure I don't plug nothing up. But let's see here if I can give you a shot back here. I'm not really looking, you probably can't see too good because of the screen, but she's flowing in there pretty good and whatnot. And Brian's Outdoor Adventures, Brown Farms, give him a little shout out. He's right. Sun goes down that first time in harvest, starts going down, and turn them lights on, and there ain't no feeling like it. It kind of gives you chills. So tomorrow I'll give you some more footage of unloading, and maybe give you a little inside view of the cab and kind of show you how everything's running for us. And hopefully I'll even get you some footage of me loading the truck. I have to see what tomorrow brings, though. I got some stuff in the morning I got to work on our skid steer and whatnot. So just a little update here. This is harvest day number 2, and as you can see, we switched from beans over to corn, and that's all I got tonight, folks. Thank you. Hopefully like and subscribe if you like the video, and leave me any comments and I'll answer what I can for you. Have a good evening.